A village blacksmith's son with no formal schooling built the world's first geological map and changed how we see the Earth itself. William Smith spent years surveying English coal mines and canals in the 1790s. He noticed the same fossils appeared in the same rock layers, no matter where he dug across Britain. In 1815, he published a stunning hand-painted map showing all of Britain's geology in colored layers. Wealthy academics stole his work and bankrupted him. He died known only as the father of geology.